In this video, I'm going to show you a comparison between TapTap Send and MoneyGram, focusing on which app you should trust for sending money internationally. Trust is critical when handling financial transactions, especially across borders. TapTap Send is a newer app designed for fast, low-cost transfers, particularly to Africa and Asia. It's regulated in multiple countries, uses encryption to protect user data, and has strong reviews for reliability. Many users trust it for mobile money transfers thanks to its transparent pricing and simple user interface. MoneyGram, on the other hand, is a well-established name in the money transfer world. With over 80 years in the business, it offers global reach, including cash pickup and bank deposits in over 200 countries. Its app is backed by years of financial oversight and millions of users, though it sometimes comes with higher fees and exchange rate markups. If you're looking for simplicity and lower-cost mobile transfers, TapTap Send is trustworthy. But if you value long-standing brand reliability and global coverage, MoneyGram is a solid choice. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.